Hello, hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss like how to install Kali Linux using the virtual platforms, VMware as well as Oracle box. So first we'll see like how we can install these VMs. So the very first thing is that I'm going to open the browser. It's very simple. Just type VMware workstations. Like you can use VMware 16 Pro. That I can say like you can use this. So this is the first link. Just click on this. So once you click on this link, you can go down here and you can see that there are two versions out there. One is for Windows, one is for Linux here. So as we are going for like Windows systems, so just click on this download button. Just click on download. So while you download it, asks you to save it. So you can save this. Okay. So after saving this installations, it just give you like actually this is a trial version. You can see that the VMware Pro Industry Expert, which is for like start your free fully functional with 30 days trial today. But if you want it like the key for that, so there are the keys available. You can use this link to get it the key. Paste pin. You can say that VMware Pro 16 key. So if you use this link where you can get it like you can get the full version. So this is one of the method where you can just install it and license it. And the next we can go ahead and check with like how to download the Oracle. So just simply just type Oracle virtual box, click on this download button. So once we get this, we have like download here. So just click on this download. So start downloading again. So I'm not going to do the download because I have already installed and downloaded and installed here. So this is a very simple. You can use it like Windows, or this is for like the Mac users, and this is for Windows user, and this is a Linux distribution. So if you click on this, it directly start downloading here. You can see that. So just click on this download, and apart from this here, you have to download this one, VirtualBox 16 Oracle VMware Extensions Pack. Click on this and you use download this as well here. So once you download that, everything will be ready. Just install it. Now let's see like how to install the Kali Linux. So before that, we need the Kali Linux. So here, if I go ahead and just search, it's a very simple part. It's open sources. This you can say that Kali Linux download. Click on this. You'll get the first link. Click on this first link. So once you click on this link, you can see that we have the virtual machines. We're talking about the virtual machines. So click on this virtual machine. So it will take you to the two systems here, two ways. There where you have VMware if you want to set up with it, or you want to set up with the virtual box, which we have seen like how to set up this. So in here also we have note one thing like 64 bits or 32 bits. So it depends upon your system configuration. So if you want to check your system configuration, just type uh, system configurations like check it in your different process. 32 I have typed and I got this one. So I can see that my system is 64 bits here. So I use the 64 bits here. So just click on this download button. So once you click on this download, start downloading here. Again, I'm not going to download here because I have already have this. And if I want to go for the virtual box, again I click on this download. So it's going to download the virtual box version here. So you can see this is a virtual box, and this is when we are downloading it's saying as VMware. So you can see that the setup which are there, and this is not no need of any installation. These are already ready files. That's an image file. Once you download and extract that file, you can able to like work on it. So let's see like how we can set up this. So I'm opening first VMware. So once we see the VMware here, it's very simple. You have this VMware. Click on the open virtual machine. So once you click on the open virtual machine, it asks you like from where it is there. So I'll show you my storage. It is there in the in my external device. This is a software. If I click on the software, you can see that Linux VMware. I'll just click on this, just click and select this file. That's it. Open it. So this is the way where it comes here. This is the way where like you can do some setups here and you can just power on this and it will be working at your system. Just click on I copied. That's it. And take some time to get set up. and your Kali Linux will be ready to use it here. So just hit enter and wait for that. The default credentials for the password, it would be a Kali here. So I'm going to show you, this is a completely new desk which I have compared here. So it's taking time to get up because it's initiating the machine. So once the machine is ready, you can use it. That's, you don't need to press anything. You don't need to use any kind of installation process. Nothing. It's already ready. Just it's auto loaded. Just we need to keep and watch. Have some patience and wait it. And based on your system speed, it will just complete the booting up. So once it's done with that, automatically it comes the login page. So when we get the login page, as we know, credentials is a Kali is the password and Kali is the username. So we can use it this. So we can see that I got it it's ready now my machine. So we can see the Kali Linux here. So this is the login page. So just click on Kali and hit enter, and you can see that your Kali Linux is ready and you can work on it. See, this is already which we have installed. This is a 2022 version. Let me show you that. So I'll open my terminal here. So the name is a Kali Linux. You can see that. So you can see that this is 2022, which I have just now installed it. Downloaded and installed. It's ready for that. Okay. This is the way where we can set up the lab. About VMware. Now let's talk about the Oracle. Now this is my Oracle box. Already I have some machines here, but still I want to show you how to do it that. So as we can see that this is my virtual box. This is customized by us, so no problem for that. Whatever you downloaded, simply double click on that. So once you double click, it take you to the virtual box. Simple here, you can come here and start importing. It asks you the credentials, so you can see that this is a name here. We have customized, so that is a product URLs and so on. You can see that this is a Kali Linux, and you can just click on the import button. So once you click on this import button, the same thing is get import, and then once it's imported, you have to just press start button. So after importing, what happens? Once your import is done, uh, you can just um, click on start button and it will take. So it takes some time. So till it get import, I'm going to pause this recording and then resume that. So as I have deleted the existing one, in here is the imported. So just click on start here. So once I click on the start, it's been going to load and give us the login page same way. So let's have a look on it. So it's getting load. I said you it depends upon your system configuration. It will be how much time it takes. So if you have good system configuration, if you're using SSD and your RAM is high, so obviously the operations will be fast, or else it takes some time, but it will be done. No worries. In this required only 4 GB of RAM if you have in your computer. That's fine. So you can just allocate 2 GB and 2 GB can work on Windows, and it can be set up. So this is my machine. So I can use the credentials as Kali. The password as also the Kali. So it's going to open your virtual box. So this is what how we can use it. So if you have any kind of queries or any kind of doubts regarding that, so feel free to communicate. Put it on WhatsApp. I'll be there to help you out how to set up all those things. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day.